They warned me not to come here. Said a man lived in the tombs, screaming, possessed. But that's exactly why I came. I'm here with this man, clearly going through a difficult time. We're gonna talk.
Spirit of torment, leave him. Now. This soul belongs to peace, not chains.
It's done.
He just asked what happened. I told him, "You met the one who sees what no one else does." And he smiled. He asked to come with me. But I said, "Go home. Tell your story. Let them see what freedom looks like." The same people who feared him now stare in awe. They're not just seeing him, they're seeing what God can do. This if you believe freedom is real. Share this with someone who needs hope. Follow me. This is just the beginning.